This is my trusty old Ender 3 Pro. I've had it since 2020, so it's getting quite old, but it's still being used fairly often, and it just keeps on going. What I've done is I have created a little converter to bring down the voltage from 24 volt to 5 volts, and what now happens is that I can power my Raspberry Pi that I've got on the side here. It runs Klipper, and it then starts up automatically when I switch on my printer. The Raspberry Pi will also start up, and Klipper will start up and be ready to access and print the designs that I've got. Okay, today I'm going to try and make a power supply for my Raspberry Pi running Klipper. So currently I'm using the USB-C port to power this thing the whole time, but it's actually a pain because I want to make it so that when my Ender 3 Pro switches on, it automatically switches my Klipper on, or my Raspberry Pi. And to do that, I will have to put some power onto the GPIO pins. There's some pins, I'll have to identify them. And I'm going to use this, where is it? This LM 2596 DC to DC converter. And basically you've got the in bits. You can get 24 volt in, and I actually just want 5 volt out. So I'm going to connect this using the XT60 adapter, and I'll show you the other adapter that I've got. It's a converter on the printer itself to connect this in there. Okay, but the first thing I have to do is make use of my new TS101 soldering iron. First time using it. I'll still talk about this one probably in the next video, etc. But this is something that I've had on my bucket list for quite a while. Very nice, portable, small soldering iron. It can work with USB-C or a DC adapter, or even an adapter that goes straight into a little battery, and then you can drive it through there. Okay, so let's get going. First of all, okay, so I'm going to plug in this thing. It starts up and it's ready to heat. So I still have a peel there I can take off. Okay, so I'm gonna heat it to 300 degrees. As you can see, it's going quick. It's gone to 328 just to heat it up quite extensively. I'll just move my other stuff out of the way, because the first thing I have to do is not touch this thing. So put it there. Okay, great. That can go there. Okay, let's see. Oh, maybe I'll use my trusty little companion here. I'm really making a hash out of this. Check there. Check my... oh my word. Okay, so this is positive in, negative in. Oh, am I botching it so much? Okay, so positive side in and positive out, negative out. Now I need to calibrate this. Check what the input voltage is. It is 24. Okay, now all the way that side. See the little converter there? That's a buck converter. It takes the power of 24 volt from the back of the printer using a small adapter. This is the adapter. It's a XT60 adapter that plugs into the power supply, and it splits it into two. One that goes for the normal printer printer electronics, and the other one I am using this buck converter. There you go. Start it up, and printer is ready, Klipper is ready, and as you can see, the light on there shows that the buck converter is actually working. I routed some wire underneath, and then the wire goes from here, the 5 volt output goes all the way into my Raspberry Pi and to the GPIO pins, and I put it in there to power it.